This is an old Kenwood amplifier. It's a model KA-4002. I say Kenwood, it's actually Trio. I think Kenwood and Trio are obviously the same company. This one had a faulty power switch, wouldn't stay in, it would just spring back out, and it also had failed contacts on one side of it, so I had to sort of swap the mains around to use the other side of the switch to get it to work. So it's quite an impressive amplifier, purely for the huge amount of wiring that's in it. There's just like, it's just loads of it. Look at it all. It must take so long to put something like that together. There's the power transistors on the back of it there. These big grey capacitors there, there's two of them. I think they, well, yeah, they go by the circuit diagram. They go to the loudspeakers to block DC, I guess, and there's no speaker relay on it either. But it seems to work alright. The capacitors all look in pretty good nick. I had to modify it slightly because the power switch had a dual function. It was a double pole switch, and there was a couple of wires that came off the other side of the switch. But it had a resistor in it. Basically, when you turned it off, it switched a resistor in series, or switched a resistor into the main amplifier circuit, just as when the power was turned off. So I'm guessing it was just to try and shut the amplifier down, stop it sending out any nasty noises to the speakers. But I've just hardwired it as it would be when it was on, because that half of the switch didn't work, and I couldn't get there's no switches like that available, that size, that are going to fit. So in addition to the metal lid, there's a wooden sleeve that sits over the top of the unit, as that was the thing back in the day. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm available for repairing electronics in Gloucestershire. Thank you.